Welcome to all. Implementation of basic logic gates using universal gates. In this experiment, we are going to construct and test basic logic gates such as OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, and also XOR gate using universal gates such as NAND gate and NOR gates. So this is the aim of our experiment. With the help of universal gates such as NAND gate and NOR gate, we are going to construct the basic logic gates. So these are the apparatus required for constructing the logic gates. 5-volt power supply, breadboard. Over the breadboard we are going to construct the circuit. For checking logical outputs either 1 or 0, we can see with the help of LED. And also we need the ICs 7400, which is NAND gate IC, and also 7402, which is a NOR gate IC. Also few more connecting wires are needed for proceeding the experiment. So actually we are going to construct the circuit over the breadboard. So the breadboard function that we have to understand. The breadboard will look like this. Over the breadboard we are going to construct the circuit. See that you can see there is a blue line at the bottom. Over that there is a red line. Similarly, there is at the top also one another red line, below that there is a blue line. That means just the line means the points above the blue line, it is connected horizontally. Even the red line also below that it is connected horizontally, means bottom two lines and the top two lines are connected horizontally. The remaining lines are connected vertically. Just that if we are removing back panel of this breadboard and if we are looking the configuration, it will look like this. See, the bottom two lines are connected together because the bottom two lines, top two lines, that we can use it for power supply. If we may need to take power supply at many times, means at different places. For example, if we are using one IC, so the pin number 7 has to be connected to the ground, pin number 14 has to be connected positive supply. Suppose second IC also that we are using, once more we need the same power supply. For providing logical inputs, either 0 or 1 if we are providing, in such a case also we need the power supply. So the commonly if we are taking the power supply at the bottom or top, or if we are using two different power supply, one we can use it at the bottom, for example 5 volt, 12 volt if we are using, we can use it at the top. So accordingly the breadboard is designed. So the remaining things that A, B, C, D, E, whatever it is mentioned, they are vertically connected, just like this. This is the back side. Oh, if we are open the panel, it will look like this, the breadboard. So the front view, it will be look like this. So in this we can connect our IC and connecting wires also we can connect accordingly, so that it will be more convenient for checking our logic gate. So this is the pin diagram of NAND gate IC 7400. Actually this IC consists of 14 pins, 7 at the bottom and remaining 7 at the top. Pin number 1 and 2 are inputs and 3 is the output. This will constitute, actually this IC consists of NAND gate IC. This consists of 4 NAND gates that you can view. There are 4 NAND gates are there. For the first NAND gate, 1 and 2 are input, 3 is the output. Similarly, for second one, 4 and 5 are input, 6 is the output. For the third one, 9 and 10 are inputs and 8 is the output. Fourth gate, 12 and 13 are input and 11 is the input. So this IC consists of 4 NAND gates. IC 7400 consists of 4 NAND gates. You can see the pin number 7 and pin number 14 are not connected with any valve. That for operation of this IC we have to provide power supply. Actually 7 has to be connected to the ground and 14 has to be connected to VCC, that means 5 plus 5 volt. To easily identify this IC means pin number where we have to start, either from the bottom or if we are reversing the IC, left side if it is on the right, if it is right side if it is on the left, we don't know where we have to start pin number 1 where it is, that properly we have to identify. For that purpose only the left side of the IC there will be an arch, so that we have to keep it left, and from below we have to count the pin number 1, 2, 3 and so on. I hope you are clear with the pin diagram of NAND gate IC 7400. With the help of this IC, we are going to construct basic logic gates. Then also with the help of NOR gate IC 7402, we are going to construct the basic logic gates the same. So we will discuss in detail. So this is the IC. This IC we will place it over the breadboard and accordingly the circuit diagrams will be given. So we will verify the output whether we are getting the logical output properly or not. So first let us see, with the help of NAND gates we are going to construct a NOT gate. This is the one gate. With the help of one NAND gate is sufficient for constructing this one. So in this what it has done, that pin number 1 and 2 are interconnected. From pin number 3 we have taken output. So input A, it is given either for pin number 1 or 2. In between we have taken the input. We are providing input from either pin number 1 or 2 and we are taking output from the pin number 3. Let us see. So first what we have to do, for the operation of IC the power supply is mandatory. So always at the beginning we have to connect the pin number 7 to the ground and pin number 14 to the VCC, that means plus 5 volt. So as per the circuit diagram we have to connect the pin number 1 and 2. We have to take the output from the pin number 3. So the input only this gate, actually NOT gate, having only one input and one output. Input will be given from A and the output will be taken from pin number 3, that we are taking it as Y. So if we are checking the truth table, this is the truth table for the NOT gate. It consists of only one input and one output. In this gate, if we are providing 0, we are getting the output 1. If we are providing 1, we will get the output 0. Herewith, there is one another supporting video, it is attached herewith, which will be helpful for you how experimentally we can proceed this experiment. So logical 1 means plus 5 volt, logical 0 means it is 0 volt, ground we will connect. Output we will connect it to the LED. If the LED is glowing, that will be considered it as logical 1. If it is off condition, if it is not glowing, that will be considered it as 0. So with this circuit diagram, that we can able to check its operation. Similarly, NAND gate can be operated as a OR gate. So we are going to construct NAND gate which is going to operate it as a OR gate because it is a universal gate. With the help of NAND gate or NOR gate, we can able to construct any basic logic gates. That's what we are going to do in this experiment. So how to connect this one? We are much familiar with this pin diagram and all other things. So the circuit diagram is given. So the pin number 1 and 2 are interconnected first. Similarly, pin number 4 and 5 are interconnected. So yeah, the fundamentally what we have to do, pin number 7 has to be grounded and the positive supply has to be connected with pin number 14 plus 5 volt. Then pin number 1 and 2 are interconnected. Similarly, pin number 4 and 5 are interconnected. We have to provide manually these connections. We have to take this IC over the breadboard. We have to do these connections. So there are 14 pins. First we have to provide a power supply for pin number 7 and 14. Then we have to provide electrical connections with the help of wire over the breadboard so that we can verify its output. Okay then what we have to do? Pin number 3 has to be connected to pin number 10 and pin number 6 has to be connected to pin number 9. So pin number 3, it is connected to pin number 10. Similarly, pin number 6, it is connected to pin number 9. Then what is the thing? Either pin number 1 or 2 that we are going to take it as a input. Either pin number 4 or 5 we are going to take it as a another input. So apart from NOT gate, all other gates will have 2 inputs. What we are going to check the basic logic gates. So the output, where we are going to take the output? Pin number 8 we are going to take it as the output. Now let us check the truth table. When we are providing both inputs 0 for A and B, if we are providing both 0, then output is also 0. So experimentally how we will perform? A, B, both the pins that we will connect to the ground. So the output LED won't glow. So apart from that, all other combinations we will get logical 1. The LED will glow. Whether A is 0, B is 1, or A is 1, B is 0, or both are 1, both A and B are 1. All these cases we will get logical 1. So in this way we can verify OR gates. So the Boolean logic we know y equal to A plus B. So that either 1 or both are 1 means the output will be 1. If both inputs are 0, then output will be 0. This is the Boolean expression for logical OR gates. Then we are going to construct AND gate with the help of NAND gates. If you are looking the circuit diagram, pin number 1 and pin number 2 that we are going to provide 2 inputs. From pin number 3 we are going to take our output. So pin number 4 and 5 are interconnected, which is connected to pin number 3, output of the pin number 3. Means 1 and 2 inputs, 3 output, 3 output is fed to pin number 4 and 5. From pin number 6 we have taken the output. This is the circuit diagram. So, as we know, first we have to connect the power supply. Then pin number 1 it is an input A, pin number 2 it is input B. The output from the pin number 3 we are taking and it is connected to pin number 4 and 5. So, from 6 we are going to take the output. Now, that is all, only 2 NAND gates we are using for this experiment. So, in this truth table if we are checking, if both inputs are 0, the output is 0. If any one of the input is 0, then also the output is 0. The output is 1 when both the inputs are 1. Both A and B, if both inputs are high, the output is high. That we can verify with help of this circuit diagram in this part. Then NAND, with help of NAND, we can also construct XOR gates. So, as usual, we are connecting the power supply for this IC. It is mandatory for its operation. Then what we are doing? See, the pin number 1 it is connected to pin number 4. Pin number 2 it is connected to pin number 10. See, in this we are going to use 4 logic gates. This IC consists of 4 gates. All these 4 gates that we are going to use for constructing this XOR gate. So, first what we will do? Pin number 1 and pin number 4 are connected. Pin number 2 and pin number 10 are connected together. So, pin number 1 and pin number 4 are connected. Similarly, pin number 2 and pin number 10 are connected together. Then what we have to do? Pin number 5 and 9 are interconnected. Pin number 5 and 9 are interconnected. So, the output from pin number 3, the first gate output from pin number 3, it is connected to 5 and 9. Okay. Then the output of second gate means pin number 6, it is connected to pin number 12. The output of pin number 8, it is connected to pin number 13. See the circuit diagram, it is given 6 is connected to 12 and 8 is connected to 13. So, that is all. We are going to take input from pin number 1 as A and pin number 2 it as B. So, we are going to take output from pin number 11. All the connections are given as per the circuit diagram. Now, we can check the output. So, if we are checking the truth table, when both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. When both the inputs are 1, then also the output is 0. When any one of the input is 0 and other one is 1, then the output is 1. Means 0 0, both the A0 B0, output Y is also 0. If A1 B1, output Y is 0 again. If A is 0, B is 1, output is 1. If A is 1, B is 0, then also output is 1. This is the truth table for XOR gates. So, till now we have used the NAND gates. With the help of NAND gate, we have constructed NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate and also XOR gate. and as per the circuit diagram we have connected and their truth tables that we have verified. Similarly, with the help of NAR gate also, because NAR can also act as a universal gate. So, with the help of NAR gate also, we can construct basic logic gates that we will discuss further. So, this is the pin diagram for NAR gate, the IC 7402. But usually for NAND gate 1 and 2 are inputs and 3 is the output, but NAR gate 2 and 3 are inputs and 1 is the output. Similarly for all other, just like NAND gate, NAR gate IC is also consist of 4 gates within a IC. Also pin number 7 has to be grounded, pin number 14 has to be connected to VCC plus 5 volt power supply. So, the identification of pins just like the as we discussed previous case. So, let us enter into the experiment to proceed further. So, in this the power supplies are connected to this IC. So, we are much familiar with the circuit diagram and its configuration and also electrical connections. What we have to do? We have to connect pin number 2 and 3. So, this is the input A. Output will be taken from pin number 1. We know NOT gate consists of only one input and one output. If we are providing logical 0, output will be logical 1. If we are providing logical 1, output will be logical 0. How we are providing that we know. If we are connecting with the input A, if we are connecting to the ground, that will be considered it as 0. Input A, if we are connecting to plus 5 volt, that will be considered it as logical 1. How can we identify the output? The output will be connected to the LED. If the LED is glowing, it will be considered it as logical 1. If it is off, it will be considered as logical 0. So, the next one OR gate, with the help of NOR we are going to construct OR gates. So, the power supplies are given for pin number 7 and 14. So, how we have to connect it? So, pin number 2 one input, pin number 3 another input A and B. From pin number 1 it is connected to pin number 5 and 6 of the second IC. Then output has been taken from the pin number 4. This is the simple circuit diagram. We are going to use 2 NOR gates for constructing the OR gate. So, the OR gate consists of 2 inputs and logical as per the truth table the output is shown, we can verify it. So, how it will be? If both the inputs are low, the output will be low. If any one of the output is high, any one of the input is high or both the inputs are high, then output will be high. So, that we can check from the truth table. If we are providing various inputs to the A and B, we can verify the output and we can check the truth table of OR gates. Then AND gate. So, 3 NOR gates we are going to use for constructing AND gate. So, the circuit diagram is given. So, what we have to do? 2 and 3 has to be interconnected and also 5 and 6 has to be interconnected. From pin number 1 it is connected to pin number 8. From pin number 4 it has to be connected to the pin number 9. So, the output has been taken from the pin number 10. Input A, it is given either pin number 2 or 3 B, it is given either pin number 5 or 6. This is the circuit diagram for AND gate. So, we will provide connections. So, the pin number 2 and 3 are interconnected and also pin number 5 and 6 are interconnected. Then what we have to do? Pin number 1 has to be connected to pin number 8, pin number 4 has to be connected to pin number 9. Now, pin number 4, the green line, it is connected to pin number 9. So, similarly pin number 1, it has to be connected to pin number 8. Then output will be taken from the pin number 9 and input A and P are taken from the pin number 2 or 3, one input A, pin number 5 or 6 another output B. So, the output has been taken from the pin number 10. Now, truth table is here. AND gate that we know, only when both the inputs are high, the output will be high, all other cases output will be low. Means input A1, input B1, then only the output Y will be 1. Otherwise, all other cases the output will be 0. So, from the truth table we can verify AND gate operation. The next one, AND gate will operate as XOR gate. So, in this circuit diagram, the power supplies are given for pin number 7 and pin number 14. Pin number 7 it is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to VCC plus 5 volt. See, pin number 2 it is connected to, just go through the circuit diagram. Pin number 2 it is connected to pin number 5 and pin number 3 connected to pin number 9. Pin number 6 and 8 are connected together. From the output 1, output of first gate 1, it is connected to 6 and 8. From pin number 4 it is connected to 11, from pin number 10 it is connected to 12. Okay, output it's taken from pin number 13, again 2 and 3. See, the first gate is also 2 and 3, the last one, fifth gate, that also 2 and 3 pin number 1, 2, 3. The same IC we won't get pin number 1, 2, 3 again and again, that we will discuss. Okay, first part let us connect and then we will discuss that part. What we have to do? From pin number 2 it is connected to pin number 5. Okay, fine, it is connected. From pin number 3 has to be connected to pin number 9. Fine. From pin number 3 a wire has been taken and it is connected to pin number 3 of the NOR gate IC. Then pin number 6 and 8 has to be interconnected. Okay, that has to be connected to pin number 1. Connected. Fine, this part over. Then from pin number 4 it has to be connected to pin number 11 and pin number 10 it has to be connected to pin number 12. The top green one, pin number 10 and 12 are connected. Fine, this is over, 10 and 12 connected. Similarly, pin number 4 and 11 has to be connected together. So, from the pin number 4 wire has been taken, that is connected to pin number 11 of the NOR gate IC 7402. It is okay, till this it is connected. Now, what we have to do? From pin number 13 we have to connect the pin numbers 2 and 3 and output has to be taken from the pin number 1. Remember, left side the IC configuration it is given. This consists of 4 gates, a single IC of 7400 or 7402. NOR gate IC or NAND gate IC consists of 4 gates. But actually right hand side of the circuit diagram we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gates we need. So, with the help of 5 gates only we can able to construct XOR gate with the help of NOR gate. So, what we need actually, we need one more gate, that means we need one more IC for constructing this circuit. So, what we will do, we will take one more IC, for that IC also connecting ground and positive supply to pin number 7 and 14 respectively, it is mandatory. Then what we can do, the output for fourth IC from pin number 13 has been taken from the first IC and it has been connected to pin number 2 and 3 of the second IC. Remember, one IC consists of only 4 NOR gates. So, in this circuit diagram we need 5 NOR gates. So, that is why we are using an additional IC, one more IC. So, the second IC we are using the fifth gate. So, the output will be taken from the input will be taken from the pin number 2 and pin number 3, A and B. Output will be taken from the pin number 1 of the second IC. Hope you are clear with this circuit diagrams. So, we will check the truth table. So, either one of the input is 0, another is high, means the output will be 1 for XOR gate. So, with the help of this truth table, we can check the operation of XOR gate by using this circuit diagram. So, now what we have done? We have constructed various basic gates such as OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate and XOR gate using universal gates such as NAND gate and NOR gate, and also we have verified their truth tables. With this PowerPoint, one more video that it is additional video that it is connected. So, in this how we have to connect over the breadboard and how to check, that it has been given, just to go through it. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. Thank you.